This is one of my family's favorite dishes. Easy, fast, and super delicious dinner. Salmon fillet with pan-roasted potatoes. First, season salmon fillet with salt on both sides, and then we sprinkle it with lemon and herb seasoning. Then set the salmon fillet aside. Meanwhile, prepare the potatoes. Wash and halve baby potatoes in a bowl. Place a frying pan on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and place the potatoes in the pan. Then cover them and let them roast, turning them over from time to time until they are nicely browned on each side. Add a splash of water so they don't dry out and they don't burn. Cook them until nicely brown, add some salt and pepper. Once they are fork tender, add 2 cloves of garlic minced and stir with the potatoes for about 30 seconds, careful not to burn as it will become bitter. If you like my recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Finish the roasted potatoes with some chopped parsley and set it aside. To cook the fish, add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan heated on medium-high, and then place the fillets in the pan. Sprinkle with the Montreal steak seasoning and then cook about 4 minutes per side. Then flip them over on the other side. Once they are done, remove them to a plate and serve them with the pan-roasted potato. I also like to serve them with some steamed veggies. Hope you like today's recipe. Remember to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!